All right, we are here with Farrell and a bunch of other people. We have an audience back there. We got Jaden and Caden. Our cameraman is Aiden. Oh, we got all the rhymes. Okay, so we're going to talk about the systems of equations questions that was on the last test. And I'm going to go through them real quick with you just to let you know how these work. So, this first question, first of all, the title to this section was writing systems of equations to two linear equations. All right, all of these are written in ax plus by equals c. I'm going to have people from my audience tell me different things they know about ax plus by equals c, which is standard form. So, I think this is a pretty perfect way to say, how do we find the x-intercept? I remember it by Caden Anderson.
You're supposed to say something.
C over A.
Yeah.
C over A. C over A is our way that we find the x-intercept. We take whatever number is here, divided by that number, and we find the x-intercept. Caden Anderson. All right, and then the y-intercept. Anybody remember what that one is?
You do C over B.
C over B. Wonderful job, Farrell. And then if we were trying to find our slope,
Negative A over B.
negative A over B. Perfect job. So we had to know some background information before we started graphing these two systems of equations. That means two equations, two variables each. All right, so let's go start. The x-intercept for this one, negative 4 over 1, which is negative 4. Do we have an x-intercept at negative 4? No, we don't. So I'm just going to X out that question completely. The next one, 2 over 1. Do I have a 2 over 1? That should be right there. Oh,
No.
I do not. Right, guys?
Yeah.
Right?
Right,
audience?
no.
No. What?
Ow!
Okay. The next one, 4 over 1 for the x-intercept. Looks like I do have a 4 as an x-intercept for one of my lines. Let's look at the other graph. We have, let's look at their y-intercept. 3 over 1, which is 3. Yep, it's up there. Okay, we're good. We found our answer.
Yes.
It is these two. Thank you, thank you. All right, next one. It is a word problem all about linear, two missing pieces. So we're gonna find two different equations, systems of equations, right, Jaden?
Yeah.
All right, Hunter has a jar of 368 nickels and dimes. The total value of the coins is this much dollars, $28.40. Which systems of equations would be the best one to use to find the number of nickels, the number of dimes? So the two things we have missing are nickels and dimes. We had a total of this many. So nickels plus dimes should equal 368. I have some that do not say that, so I'm going to X those out. What's another one that is here that does not say that?
Yes.
That one, it says n plus 9. So don't know what that means, but we're not going to use that one. And then the last thing says we have $28.40. Now here's the tricky part, Caden Anderson. Are nickels worth 5 or worth 0.05?
Yes.
Yes. 0.05. That is how much a nickel is worth. This would technically be $5 if we were putting it as an equal to our $5,
Yes.
right? We don't do that. So the same thing for the dimes. It is 0.10 of a dollar, which is 10 cents. All right. So the answer for that one is F.
Yes.
Clap, guys. Clap. There we go. Okay, so now we're having to actually solve the linear equations, which is the systems of equations. Two variables for two equations. This one has a school band that collected this much dollars for 480 tickets sold to their spring concert. Adult tickets were $8, student tickets are $5. So sounds like we have two missing pieces, adult tickets and student tickets, even though they only care about the adult tickets in the end. So, for those of you virtual students, I'm going to show you something that we are able to do on our calculator whenever you are here at school. So technically you'll be able to use this
That's why I got
on the EOC, on the STAR test. So just so you know, I'm showing this to you now, so you know it for later. Okay, if you have adult tickets and student tickets, it said that there was 480 total of them. If you have, and then we had $2,892 total. You have $8 per adult ticket and $5 per student ticket. So then I get my handy dandy calculator. Anybody remember, guys, in here, the function we use to solve these?
In Linsolve.
Linsolve, good. So technically it's called Linsolve. It's like the not the off-brand, but the better version of Insolve.
I feel like Insolve is better.
so-
It's easier to use.
Menu 3-2 for 2 equations gives us 2 equations, 2 variables, which we can change those 2 variables to A and B or A and S if we wanted to. So A, comma S, and then I go and click OK. It opens up that, and I get to type in both of my equations. A plus S equals 480. And then $2,892 equals $8 per adult plus $5 per student. And then I press enter and it gives me the 2 answers. But we don't have 2 answers here, so which one is which?
Oh,
The only one
164.
that's- the only one
164.
that's on the
All right,
paper.
so we're looking for the adult tickets. The adult tickets would be here, 164.
The only one that's on. Oh, Miss Garza.
Thank you, I appreciate it. All right, and I'm gonna show you how to do this again. Menu 3-2 opens up 2 different variables or 2 different places. If you're ready to type them, which we only need X and Y, I go ahead and press enter, and I start typing this in. 2X plus 3Y equals 24, and then I can type in the next one at the bottom. 6X plus 9Y equals 36. Oh my gosh, what is that kind of answer?
No real solution.
No
right there.
solution found, so the answer is no real solution. This means that the lines are, anybody know?
Never going. No.
Oh wait guys,
Yeah.
before we get the answer,
We have a special.
we have a
guest.
special guest that needs to walk by, because if you watch this video, you need to send me an email with his name.
Hi, I'm Derek.
Thanks, Derek. These lines are parallel. They never cross each other, so they do not have an intersection point, so the answer is no solution. Oh, I pointed to the wrong thing. No solution. And that is it. Bye, guys. Y'all say bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.